The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of FreeCAD. Today's video clip is to remove part of a cylinder. To start this project, we create a file to store the contents. File, New, File, Save As, is remove part of a cylinder. To start this project, create body, additive cylinder, isometric, XY plane, radius 0.5 inches, height 1 inch. OK. Cylinder, create sketch, XY plane, OK. Rectangle. Click, double click to complete, right click to release. Rectangle corner, Y-axis, constrain point onto object. Close. Sketch, pocket, length 2 inches, reversed, OK. Sketch, spacebar to display sketch. Axes, x equals 0, y equals 1, z equals 0. Angle 45 degrees. Position x minus 0.2 inches. Spacebar to hide sketch. Part of the cylinder has been removed. This concludes remove part of a cylinder.